Hello everybody, this is Stefan from London. Since all the bars are closed right now, today we're going to make a fantastic, easy and healthy homemade cocktail with my favorite gin, Saviro gin. So, don't be lazy and follow me. Today's ingredients are Saviro gin is a London dry gin. The taste is smooth and elegant and is tailored to perfection. Orange, ginger, lemon, honey and Schweppes tonic. 15 milliliters of gin, 25 milliliters of orange juice, 25 milliliters of lemon juice, 2 nice spoons of honey. There you go. Nice one. Cut a nice pieces of ginger in 4 parts and put it inside the shaker. Add some ice into the shaker and then you shake it. And of course, if you don't have a shaker, add all the ingredients inside of the teapot and then you shake. Use a fine strainer. Another cocktail. Add some ice. And a splash of Schweppes tonic. Cut an orange zest. And squeeze all this amazing, beautiful juice. And voila, the job is done. The cocktail is finished and now I'm gonna share it with somebody that I love. I would like to say a big thank you to Stuart Lee, the founder of Saviro Gin, and also to David Gandhi, the investor and the brand ambassador of this beautiful product. So you must try this amazing gin, so go online on savirogin.co.uk. And remember, stay home, stay safe, and of course, drink carefully. Cheers!